Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide, which is really easy to make, but it looks like a professional template. So let me show you how to make this template in just 2 minutes. But first, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and right click on it and go to picture texture fill and give it a picture fill. So I'll just use one of the image that are of high resolution from my device. So as you can see, this looks right. So let's insert a rectangle and go to format shape. And from here, let's just change its color if we want. Now insert a corner rectangle on it and we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and duplicate it again. Select the rectangle first and then this rectangle, rounded corner rectangle, and then subtract them. Now insert a picture in the background and you're going to select the rectangle, change its color to black, and then increase its transparency. And here you go. Now it's time to insert our text. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your own personal purposes or your business purposes or anything that you want to use this template for. So as you can see now, I'll just like insert the content text that describes our image or our title or anything this template is about. Next, we're gonna insert the buttons, yeah, that are for navigation of this template. So this is the final step that we had to do in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the final result. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below.